Welcome to our magical garden. In this video, you'll learn how to create fabulous perennial borders with 10 essential tips that will elevate your garden's design. Something as beautiful as a perennial bed really needs a backdrop to set it off. So here you can see we have a fence with plantings against the fence that really offset and emphasize the perennial border. Make sure your border is wide enough. 6 to 8 feet is minimum for most borders. Although here you can see we've broken that rule, and technically this strip between the path and the pond could be considered a border, and it's probably only 2 feet wide. So all rules are made to be broken. Curve the edge of your border to give it a natural look. Don't plant flowers in straight lines, but plant relaxed, gently curved masses of 3 or more of each flower. Plant tall plants at the back, and then shorter plants moving to the front of the bed, and then much shorter plants at the edge of the bed. With wider beds, remember to provide access for weeding. What we've done here is left a strip so that we can get into the back of the bed to maintain it. And that strip isn't visible from the front of the bed because of the height of the plants. Consider filling in blank spots in your perennial bed with annuals. When planning your perennial border, give some thought to blooming succession. Your aim should be to have something blooming in all seasons. And while this is difficult to achieve, it can be done through the right choice of plants. When choosing plants, be aware of the way the plant is going to behave. Try to avoid planting things that will spread and/or take over. For example, when we moved in, this bed had been planted with creeping bellflower or campanula, and we're still fighting it to this day, almost 20 years later. Adjust the height of your plants throughout the season. So, for example, the phlox here is at the right height. But moving down the bed, these phlox are now taller than the tree peony behind it. So we will cut those phlox down by about half, which is called the Chelsea chop because it occurs after the Chelsea flower show. Think in terms of contrasting leaf texture. Here, for example, we have lamb's ear that are very soft and low to the ground. Then we have ornamental onions, and then the daylily. For expert advice and guidance on all things perennial, I highly recommend this book, The Well-Tended Perennial Garden by Tracy Di Sabato-Orst. So if you've enjoyed this video, why not subscribe for more content just like it? Thanks for watching. Bye.